Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with an updated Apple analysis for you at the end of the trading session dated Tuesday 26th of February. I'm recording this video now 10 past 4 in the afternoon, just a bit before New York closes. I have two wave counts at the daily chart level for Apple. This is my main wave count because it sees a more common structure, a 5-wave impulse unfolding downwards at cycle degree for a new supercycle zigzag structure. So within cycle wave A, we have primary 1 and 2 complete, and primary 3 is incomplete. We still have to move towards the middle of it. The strongest part of downwards movement is still in front of us if this wave count's correct. This wave count needs to see an increase in momentum beyond that which we've seen for the end of primary wave 1. If momentum does increase, then this would be a nice explanation. If it doesn't, then my alternate wave count will be correct. So within primary 3, we have intermediate 1 and 2, intermediate wave 3 still to move towards the middle part. At 356, it will reach 2.618, the length of intermediate 1. Within intermediate wave 3, we have minor 1 and 2, and minor 3 still to move towards the middle part of it. While minor 3 is unfolding, the second wave correction within it, minute wave 2, can't move beyond the start of 1. In the short to mid-term for the next few weeks, this wave count is invalidated with movement above 484.94. When minor 3 is complete, we'll redraw this channel around the middle of intermediate 3 and we'll expect the final fifth wave down to end about the lower edge of the channel. When primary wave 3 in its entirety, probably a few months away, is complete, then primary 4 can't move into primary 1 price territory. At that stage, my main and alternate wave counts diverge. At that stage, for this main wave count, movement above 505.75 would invalidate it. And the alternate wave count would require price movement above that point. Let's have a look at the hourly chart, where the end for minor wave 2 up here is this point up here. So we probably have the end of minute wave 1 within minor wave 3 now, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down now complete. I've redrawn this trend channel using Elliott's second technique because the fourth wave moved higher. It wasn't contained in the channel the way I'd first drawn it. Draw it from 2 to 4 with a copy on 3. I expect probably tomorrow we may see a clear breach of this channel, which would be trend channel confirmation that for now, for the short term, the downwards trend is over and we're within a short term upwards correction. This is probably a second wave correction and they're usually relatively deep, so initially I'll expect it to end around about the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio of minute wave 1 down, probably to end around about 467. 2 can't move beyond the start of 1, the wave count's invalidated with movement above 484.94. In another couple of days I may have some ideas as to what, or some clues as to what structure may be unfolding for the second wave, and so we can have a better target. This target will probably change. The first wave took 10 days to unfold, so I'll expect that the second wave correction may take around about 10 days also to unfold. At the daily chart level, this is the alternate wave count. Instead of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, this A wave at primary degree may be unfolding as a 3-wave zigzag if cycle wave A is unfolding as a 3-wave flat correction. So within primary A, we've had the end of A, B, and C is still yet to complete. The target remains the same. At 409, minor wave 5 will reach equality in length with minor 1, and at 395, intermediate C would reach equality in length with intermediate wave A. So if we fail to see an increase in downwards momentum, then this would be a viable explanation, because intermediate wave C does not have to show an increase beyond that seen for intermediate wave A, whereas for our main wave count, if this is a third wave, it must show an increase in momentum. Within minor wave 5, we'd probably be looking at exactly the same movement next. We'd have minute 1 complete, minute 2 beginning to unfold, and it can't move beyond the start of 1 above 484.94. So at this stage, my wave counts do not diverge. They're both expecting a bit of upwards movement, maybe for up to about 10 days. After minor wave 5 is complete, that's when the wave counts do diverge. That will be the end of primary A, a 3-wave structure, and primary B would have to be at least 90% the length of A, meaning price must rise above 505.75. So if price does move above that point, this alternate will be confirmed, the main wave count will be invalidated, and we'll know then that price has to continue rising to where B reaches at least 90% the length of A, and it may indeed make a new all-time high. That's a few months away yet though. In the short term, I'm expecting we've just started a small, minute degree second wave correction for Apple. We may see choppy, overlapping, generally trending upwards movement for maybe up to about 10 days. That's all for me today with your Apple analysis, and I hope that everyone had a fabulous weekend.